In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear the search history in Google Drive. If you've ever typed something into the Drive search bar and want to remove those past queries for privacy or just to tidy things up, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to do it, clearly and safely. First, open a web browser and log into Google Drive. Make sure you're signed into the correct account, especially if you use more than one. Once you're in your Drive homepage, look to the upper right corner of the screen for the gear icon. This gear opens your Drive settings. Click it, then select Settings from the menu that appears. If your window is narrow, you may need to expand it or scroll a bit to see all options, but the gear icon is always in the top right. Inside the Settings panel, locate the Privacy section. Google groups controls related to your data here so you can easily manage what's saved and what's visible. In that Privacy area, click on Manage Search History. This link takes you to the activity page that records the searches you've made within Google Drive. It may open in a new tab. Give it a moment to load. It's normal for it to take a few seconds if there's a lot of history. On the search history page, you'll see entries of your Drive searches, typically listed with the term and a timestamp. Take a moment to review what's there so you only remove what you intend to delete. To remove an individual search, hover over the entry and click the X button next to it. If you don't see the X immediately, move your cursor over the right side of the entry and it should appear. Click it and the item will be marked for removal. When you click the X, you may be asked to confirm the deletion. This confirmation is there to prevent accidental removals. Go ahead and confirm, and the search term will be deleted from your history. Repeat the process for any other searches you want to clear. If you have a lot of entries, scrolling through them steadily is the simplest approach, and you can take your time so you don't remove anything unintentionally. Once you're done, you can return to your Drive tab and continue working. The changes apply to your account, so the cleared searches won't appear on other devices where you use the same account. That's all there is to it. You've successfully cleared your Google Drive search history, helping keep your workspace a bit more private and organized.